Your power is in the present moment. I'm Brian Withers, empowerment coach, trainer, and author. Well, we know that we are powerful energy beings, and we come into planet Earth for a little while, into a body, and we come here to live a life of joyous expansion. And the way that we live that life is by flowing in our natural high vibration energy all day, every day. And the way we do that, of course, is we're going to be choosing our thoughts about everything, about everyone, about our past, about the people in our life, everything. I'm going to get into that more, but we want to flow that high vibration energy because we are living in a high vibration universe. And as I said, we are a high vibration being. Our dreams and desires, they're all high vibration. Now, the wild card here is our thought energy, right? That's part of us, our thought energy, and we get to choose, right? We get to choose freely, and faulty beliefs get us choosing a lot of low vibration stuff. So now we've kind of put a wrench in the program here because if it's, and it is high vibration energy that lets us live our life of joyous expansion, but we're picking some low vibration thought energy in our day. That means our energy, we're not flowing in that high vibration consistently enough for the law of attraction really to act in the ways that we wanted to deliver to us what life has caused us to ask for. So let's look into this here. So let's talk about where our power is not first, just to make this really clear. Our power is not in action. Now, we use action. Action is a big part of life. Obviously, we're physical beings. But action is for receiving. It's not to make things happen. It's not to figure things out, but it is to receive. You see, that's what our action is for. Because when we are flowing in high vibration energy, then the path comes to us and we act on the details with people, with resources, with ideas, all kinds of things. So action is a receiving thing, not something to make things happen. Now this next one will blow a lot of people away because our power is not in money. Money is not the power. It is a means of exchange. It makes life easy that when we have different qualities, gifts and talents, and we do different things, we go to a store to buy something or we go get a service, we exchange money. We don't exchange, we don't barter and stuff like that. We have money. It makes it very easy. So the way that we express ourselves causes some flow, and then other people do that, and then we just exchange money. Now the flow can be unlimited. It doesn't have to be related to the work that you do at all. It'll come in many channels. I mean, your source is high vibration. If you're there, then it flows to you in many, many ways. And it's never any one way or one channel. It's just an unlimited source that flows to you. Other things that people may think will, raise their vibration or, do something energetically for them, which then is powerful. So yoga, that's not where your power is. Work is not where your power is. A business, not where your power is. Affirmations, not where your power is. Vision boards, nope. Hypnosis, nope. Subliminals, your power's not there. Meditation, not even a meditation. Education, your power's not there. Psychedelics, nope, not your power. Your power is not in any of those things. Your power is in the present moment. Well, what's in the present moment? I mean, those things seem to be in the present moment, or we do them in the present moment. Well, they are present moment kind of things, but they're not the thing in the present moment that really is our power. The thing that is our present moment power is this. It's our thought, our present moment thought energy. And no matter what those thoughts are about in the present moment, maybe about yourself, maybe about some other people, maybe be about relationships in your life. It may be about thoughts about abundance, vocation, material objects, daily tasks, and whatnot. These are the kinds of thoughts that run through your mind in the run of a day. And when they do, you want them all to be high vibration, good feeling, positive feeling thoughts. That's your currency. And when you flow that on a consistent, regular basis, you also make sure your subconscious beliefs are high vibration. Now, because everything you want is a high vibration, remember, this whole universe is high vibration. Everything you want is a high vibration. The path of details that bring you together with what you want, high vibration. So as you're choosing present moment thoughts that are high vibration energy, that's your gold. That's the currency that buys you everything. And then that also makes sure your subconscious is wired up. That's why, right now where humanity is, we want to get our conscious mind trained and get it repatterned into these good feeling thoughts so that we clean up our subconscious. But once we get it cleaned up and it's flowing high vibration energy the same as our conscious mind, that means our daily bucket of high vibration energy is full of high vibration energy. Law of attraction picks that up. It connects you with a path to everything that you want, everything that life has caused you to ask for. It will connect you with all those details simultaneously. Things will be gone in your day. It will just seem like a very completely different life versus us, doing things to get things and trying to make things happen and all that. It's just a very different life when you live it energetically versus through effort. And the thing that interferes is because we do think about things, right? We ponder things. We ponder action that we're going to take. We look at options that we have. We think about the way that we'll use money or get money or spend money. We think about activities that we will do or a business we will run, or we think about what affirmations we should say or what we should put on our vision board, or if we should go and do some hypnosis, maybe that will help us, or learn subliminals, maybe do some kind of psychedelic tour, go to school, do meditation. See, we ponder all of that stuff, wondering which one is the one that's the key that we do and how do we do it, and that's all low vibration. It's just lack. It's total lack, trying to figure out ways to do things to get things, right? Your power is not in any of those things. Now, as you are high vibration and you do know who you are and you do know why you came here and how life works, and you're going to know that you have natural gifts and talents, and they're going to want you to do certain things. You're going to feel that within yourself. You're going to feel drawn to do different things. And so, of course, you will go to school and you will do some of these things, maybe get involved in yoga and meditation. You may even use some vision boards and affirmations to train your thinking. All these things have a piece in life, except, well, you don't need psychedelics and you don't need subliminals or hypnosis. Those are completely not unnecessary, just things that people use because they don't know how to get into alignment naturally, so they are trying to find ways to do it in another way. But those things on the list aren't helpful at all, not necessary. But the other things will all be part of your life, but you want them to be a high vibration part of your life coming to you, not you using them to get things, right? You don't want to use those things to get at vibrational reality and get that stuff flowing into your life. The only thing that can do that is this, right? Not even money. Money can't get all that stuff flowing in there. Money, if you have beliefs around money, then yes, material wealth will flow to you, but it's still conditional. Unless your belief is unlimited abundance, and then you would have money too. But most of the people with money in large, what we would call large quantities, that's mostly conditional money. It's not the true unlimited abundant money that we came here to see flowing through our life and all material wealth as far as that goes. So your power is in the present moment. So again, no matter what's going on in your day, the people in your life, the people in your past, the people you think might be in your future, any people, people on the street, people, family people, friend people, all kinds of people everywhere. You got to have good feeling thoughts about all those people, and the creative process helps you to know how it is that you can find good feeling thoughts about all people all the time, no matter what's going on. The flow of abundance, the natural flow of abundance, we want to know that so that anytime we think about it, that we know, how it is that we're born rich and we're always rich, and how to let that flow, which is high vibration energy, joy, really simply put. If you flow joy through your day, then you are on the vibration of abundance. But kindness and appreciation and gratitude, satisfaction, happiness, these are all vibrations that are on the frequency of abundance. And if you're living there, then you're going to find abundance of all sorts flows to you. You want to have thoughts about your vocation, doing things that you love to do, expressing yourself in the ways that you want to. And if you currently do not have a job that you want, then you find the positive aspects of it. And as you know how the creative process works and all this information, then you know the better job is on the way to you. You sort of can feel that even emotionally how it would be. You don't have to get into any great detail, but you can if you want. But it's just important that you know it's on the way to you now and you're receiving it as you are flowing high vibration in your energy in your day. That's the power of present moment. It invites to you all the things, all the pathway to all the things that you want. So even daily tasks that you're doing, whatever, shopping, taking out the garbage, paying bills, buying things, whatever you're doing, all those daily, regular daily task kinds of things, you want to have present moment, in the moment, high vibration thought energy. And if you do, then you're filling your daily bucket up with high vibration. Now, in my last video, I talked about using your smartphone and putting on a voice recorder just to get you in the spirit of things, of being aware and paying attention to how much negative emotion or positive emotion you got going on through the day. A week of doing that, and you can see pretty clearly, if you're honest with yourself and you're recording it, it's likely you're going to see a lot more negative emotion than you probably were aware of that you were having or are having. And so you got some deconstructing to do there so that you have new ways to talk about that stuff and think about that stuff and those people. And you want to get away from making choices, wondering what's the right choice, which one will get me the best result, when it doesn't really matter. You pick the choice that's easiest to feel good about, because the law of attraction doesn't even know if you're trying to make a choice between one thing or another. It just knows how you feel about it. And again, if you're dumping high vibration energy in your bucket, law of attraction is picking that up. It's just going to hook you up to the path to everything that you want. It's that easy. So that's the power. That is the power of your mind. That is the power within you. And that is the power of the present moment. So again, to just give this high level, this is a high vibration universe. It's a universe of love and light. There's no darkness. Darkness is only like the clouds covering the sun, but the sun is always there. This is there is no dark behind the light, but there's always light behind the dark. Behind any negative feeling thoughts, there's always positive. But behind the positive, behind the light, there's no darkness, because the source of this universe is light. It's high vibration. We can only cover it up, but we can't be without it otherwise, only a covering of it. So we're high vibration beings in a high vibration universe, high vibration dreams and desires. And now it's time to get the part of us, the wild card in the whole thing, the thing that's a variable, and that's our daily thought energy. And we want to get that thing into high vibration gear and find ways to bring positive feeling perspectives on everything. And that's the value in understanding the creative process very fluently and thoroughly, so that you can always pull a high vibration perspective out of anything. Your inner being does, and so you can too. And in fact, when you don't, that's your inner being giving you a negative emotion, that you're pulling a perspective on a situation that's not what it agrees with. It knows how everything is set up for you to work out for you, and that it has been along for the ride with you and knows your contrast and set up your expansion. So it's all there for you. So we want to get our thought energy in our daily life right around the clock. We want to be flowing our natural high vibration thought energy. And as we do that more and more, and get that momentum going, getting that patterning going, get our subconscious going in that direction, then we are going to see our life flow in the way that we want it, in all the ways. That is your power. Your power is in the present moment, right now, and you have the ability to learn, if you don't know how right now, to learn how to choose a good feeling thought in every present moment, no matter what the circumstances are. You can do it. You have the ability, you have the power, and if you watch these videos and read my books, you will have the knowledge and the know-how to do it. Okay, so that is the video for today. Thanks for listening in. If you have any questions, leave them on the post, and enjoy your day.